Hey, Anasma there from Yoga Dancer. Let's talk about choreography tools for groups. I've been choreographing groups for years all around the world, and since the pandemic, the impossibility of traveling, and second baby arriving, I've had to find tricks to keep practicing and apply movement to many bodies. So the first thing is to set up your reference choreography that you're filming with your main phone. You can do so many things starting from one simple sequence. And this is how I work a lot with groups. And currently, baby is my favorite audience. Second phase. On a second device, you're going to play the reference video and you keep filming yourself with your main phone. Number 3. Place your phone number 2 on the floor where it's going to be convenient to watch it. Fourth step. And now practice in partnership with your first phone. So in this case, I worked with theme and variations. The theme being the reference and the variations being what you're going to see right now. Separate videos will come to detail each concept, but let me know in the comments below which technique you want me to review in detail. Here is an overview of what we can do as a group, me and my clones. Sometimes we're in unison, and sometimes one is leading, calling, and the other ones are answering. Following. You can also have variations on the levels with 1 floor solo and 2 standing. And then you can canon the developing of the leg. Practicing in silence or to baby cooing allows me to work with my breath, but if I want to be more precise with counts, then I would use music. Transposition is the idea of taking a movement principle from a body part and applying to another body part. You can also change the orientation, so facing front, facing the right or the left corner. Then you can have 2 calling at the same time and then 1 answering afterwards. And switch the order again. Dancer 2 cascading, then dancer 3, then dancer 1. To me, it's really interesting to switch leadership, and even though the reference choreography was dancer 1, number 2 and 3 can take over, and this decentralizes the focus from only dancer 1, going from moments of trios to solo, solo, solo. I really miss choreographing groups. It makes things much richer and interesting. Well, hopefully we meet during my future choreographic retreats. What we just saw is a duet with the legs kicking, the extension of the spine, and then a solo, and then cascade, and finding the end pose. You see, there's many options when we have multiple bodies. I hope this was helpful to you. Please leave in the comments below one thing that you have learned and if you want me to go through specific material. If you liked it, put a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. It will help me with the algorithm, and thank you so much. See you soon.